Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 5th of January. Here's our weather wisdom for today. It's kind of an active week. We've got these little innocuous weather systems moving through. Temperatures are definitely going to be getting milder later this week. We're going to lose much, if not all, the snow cover over eastern Massachusetts. But today, we've got cloudy skies developing, if it's not already cloudy where you are when you're listening to this. Temperatures in the mid 20s. It's cold. We had single digits and teens overnight. And some snow's going to arrive around the evening commute. It's likely to continue up through the first half of the night, a coating to an inch. It's going to be light, fluffy. You'll be able to blow it around. My son actually blew the snow off the deck yesterday with the leaf blower, that little half inch that we had. So then Tuesday, we've got cloudy skies. Temperatures in the mid 30s, and Tuesday evening, there could be some rain. Now, temperatures may fall back enough just so that we get a little bit of frozen precipitation, freezing rain on some surfaces. That is possible, especially north and west of Boston. That would last for a couple of hours during the Tuesday evening, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something like that. Then it'll just be rain because temperatures should go up, and we'll be in the 40s on Wednesday, partly sunny on that day. Sunny on Thursday, a nice day, mid 40s. You'll see some melting going on. Friday, right now, cloudy. Could be a few rain showers, especially Friday night. Temperatures 45 to 50 Friday and Saturday. And then I think we'll cool off a little bit here as we head for Sunday back towards 40, but still little bit above average. So we are going to get a break in the weather. Not what they saw in Denver yesterday for the start of that game. It was 70 degrees. Pretty incredible. So still no big snowstorms in sight. We need cold air. We need blocking. We need moisture. We don't see any of that sort of coinciding together for now. Winter still has a long way to go. Have a great day, everybody.